Om Namo Venkateshaya. Today, October month, 300 rupees darshan ticket booking is going to start at 9 a.m. and Savadarshanam tickets online booking is going to start at tomorrow 9 a.m. In this video, I will share you few important things to be noted down before booking, and it will be very helpful, especially for the new devotees who wants to book tickets online. If you don't want to take any tensions of these tickets booking online, please go to good browsing center nearby your home, because last month few devotees have commented in my comment section that they have got confirmed tickets when they tried at browsing centers. If you want to book tickets by yourself, better avoid booking through mobile. Actually, you can book through mobile also. Procedures are same only, but still laptop or computer is much better than mobile for booking these tickets online. Third thing, this time don't try Govinda app. Try to book in their website, go tirupatibalaji.ap.gov.in. There are some issues at Govinda app this month actually. Their booking starts at 9 a.m. so please log in their website 20 minutes before. Means everybody will try at 9 a.m. so definitely that site will hang actually. So try to log in at 15-20 minutes before itself. Log in we can do before the time of the booking starts, but after that all process can be done only when they start booking. So you can log in with name and password with capture code and be ready before the booking starts. Please keep, if you want to make payment, three types of payments are there actually: credit card, debit card and net banking. Avoid net banking, because if banking has some issues means then it will reflect to our booking also, so better avoid net banking. Credit card is there, debit card is there, both are good actually, but among them credit card is much better. So keep your card details. At a time for Sarvadarshan token also, for this 300 rupees darshan token also, 6 people can be booked. Means we can book 6 people at a time for one booking. So keep, if you want to book for 6 people, keep their Aadhaar card or voter ID or passport. 3 what ID proof can be used actually. So keep all their ID proofs with the details. Then you select the date. Better avoid weekends. Mostly actually Brahmotsavam is going to come in this month, October month. So there may be chance of blocking the days from October 5th to October 16th and October 31st. All these days there may be chance of blocking. Maybe they will open these days booking 2 days before of October 5th, like that. So chances are less. Means remaining days only maybe they will allow us to book. This is my opinion. Maybe they can give full month also. So at the time of booking you decide, but keep ready for 2-3 days. Avoid weekends. If you can stay at Tirupati, better you avoid weekends, because everybody will try first at weekends only. So go for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and select which slot has more tickets. You select those tickets. Means chances of getting tickets are high on these days actually. Once you logged in, difference between Savadarshan ticket and special entry darshan ticket is, for special entry darshan ticket we have to pay 300 rupees and they will give you one laddu. Maybe for this Savadarshan ticket they will give option for payment laddu. Means we can pay laddu online also, then we can get it from in person at laddu counters there. So that option they will give. One more option they will upload is vaccination rule, whether you are 2 dose vaccinated or you will submit COVID negative certificate. Those options they will give actually. Mostly single dose they are not accepting. So these 2 options will be there. We have to just click here. No need to upload any certificates regarding this right now. I hope so actually. We have to produce only at the time of showing the, means when we are going to darshan, that time only they will ask us to show, but we have to mention. They will give 2 options like this actually mostly. Anyway, you keep your vaccination details also with you. If you have 2 dose vaccinated, if you are selecting 2 dose vaccinated, please keep those details also with you. That is, you can download it from CoWIN app also. In case if they have asked any details regarding that, you can immediately transfer that also. Then these are the main difference. Savadarshan tickets, if they are asking you to pay for extra laddu like that, you have to do online payment also. Otherwise you can skip that actually, which means you can stop at that page itself. For 300 rupees darshan you have to make payment. I will explain you how to do payment also in this video. So logging in, select special entry darshan. First we will see special entry darshan. Click that, that is 300 rupees darshan ticket. So it will take you to next page. This I will explain you just for September month. Select the date, but you have to go for October month. Those days will be in green at the time of booking. Then if you click the date, slots will open. Which time you have to select, that you have to give that option. Then select the number of persons. At a time 6 people we can book. Then laddu option, if you want to pay any extra laddu you can pay that. Don't go for hundi option here because there are separate link. We can make it later actually. Agree their terms and conditions, then click continue. It will take you to payment means next page actually. So next thing we will see for Savadarshan also. This date will open for October month. So you have to click the date, and here it is slot availability is there. These slots may be, they will give number of tickets available for each slot. So go for higher number of tickets available slot so that you will get more confirmed tickets. So select that. Then scroll down. Here you have to mention number of persons also. Per day they are issuing 8,000 tickets for Sarvadarshan also, for special entry darshan ticket also. So after selecting the slot you have to scroll down. You have to mention number of persons. Here also you can book for 6 people at a time. There is no laddu option here. If they have given any laddu option online payment, you can select that. Then this page will open. Here you have to give your details. Here actually 6 columns will be there like this, 6 rows and columns. Just I am showing you with 2 bookings. You can book for 6 people same time. Keep all the Aadhaar card ID details. Give your name, age. There will be male actually. If you are a male, don't select that. If you are doing for female, then select give Aadhaar ID proof. Then number, email ID, phone number you have to give. This is the thing you have to done in this page actually. Then give continue. It will take you to next page. So while typing the Aadhaar card number or voter ID or passport number, only 3 options will be there. Please be sure of typing the numbers in this column. Then this page will open. This is a payment session. Whether you have to make Federal Bank payment or HDFC, both are same. You can click anything actually. It will take you to next payment page. So this payment page will open. Here 3 options are there, cards and net banking. On card 2 options will be there, that is debit card and credit card. Better avoid net banking. You can do through net banking also if you are using internet banking, but better avoid that, because if any problem from bank side, that will reflect here. Go for card, debit card and credit card, both are better, but go for credit card. So credit card is much better. Select credit card. Options will open, that is MasterCard, Visa or Diners Club. Those options will come. You have to select as per your card. Even for debit card also options will open. Same thing, MasterCard, SBI card, those options will come. You have to select that. If you click net banking, all bank name will come and you have to proceed according to that, but better avoid net banking. Then card name, card holder name, card number, CVV number you have to give. Then expiry date, actually it is in the card actually, so you have to mention that also. Then CVV number. After that click OK, means pay now. It will means TTD will send you one SMS, that is OTP number. You have to submit that OTP number here again. That's all. Click OK. Your payment is done. You will receive one email also. You will receive one SMS also regarding your payment. If transaction failed, that is you didn't get tickets but money has transferred from your account, don't worry, within 7 days they will refund your money. If they have not refund, I will upload you one video how to get refund money from them. For October month accommodation details they will open only after this darshan ticket open, means booking starts, then only they will open that accommodation and all. We have to book through transaction history actually. For through mail they have told that for children below 12 years, it is not mandatory to give any details for vaccination or COVID certificate. But children between 12 to 18 years, we have to give COVID negative certificate, that is RT-PCR certificate actually, COVID negative certificate at the time of darshan. So they didn't announce it officially. Through mail they have told this actually, this rule, and this vaccination rule is applicable from October month itself. They have told like that. This is not applicable to September month darshan who have already booked their darshan ticket. So please don't worry if you have already booked your darshan ticket on September month. Whether it is RT-PCR for COVID negative certificate, whether it is RT-PCR certificate or rapid test is enough. They didn't tell anything officially, but some other temples are accepting only RT-PCR certificate, and at any point they will not refund this 300 rupees money once it is booked actually. So please keep that also in mind. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.